Hi friends, I wanted to pop on today to show you my new design team kit for scrapbookingstore.com, and this is for April 2020. So, comes packaged like this. I'm not going to flip it over. My address is on that, and nobody really cares what my address is. So, it comes in this nice packaging, and then, let's see. I peeked, but I haven't opened. So, I thought I'd hurry up and film so I can open. All right, so this, let's see, how does this work? Oh, and it comes with a really sturdy piece of cardboard so that your package does not get damaged. And now let's see, I would think that these goodies on top, I'm not going to look at them too much, are from the, I would think those are from the upgrade. So let's see. Oh, and then it comes also in one of these 2-gallon baggies. All right, so let's see what we have. Okay, it's by My Mind's Eye, and it's a one-of-a-kind collection. So let me show you what we have. All right, I'm excited about this. All right, so My Mind's Eye, one-of-a-kind collection. I'm trying to figure out what's A-sides and B-sides. Oh, no, this part's awesome. So I get the full kit and the upgrade, just so you know, as part of the design team. So we've got this gorgeous piece of cardstock. It's smooth. It's an off-white. It's called Whitewash. From My Colors cardstock, it's called Whitewash. That's nice. It's smooth. And then this piece right here, which is a stunning color, it is called Blue, but it's going into the periwinkle, like it's like leaning into periwinkle. That is gorgeous. All right, so we have 2 pieces of cardstock. And then let's see, is there an A side, a B side? I don't know. Let's just see how it goes, and I'll show you as I go. All right, the first piece, oh, okay, there is an A side and a B side. Perfect. So it is called Isn't She Lovely? And this is a really nice kind of tone-on-tone coral. So it can read as a tone-on-tone stripe this way. Going this way, it looks like raindrops to me. Kind of funny. And this side is like a little bit of a 70s vibe. This whole thing looks like the 70s. 70s vibe floral. Looks like a floral wallpaper. I'll do A sides and B sides. All right, so next, this one is called Empowered. So really nice deep coral, or it's almost like a tomato soup red with, it's definitely like a cream, not a white base on it. Now the back side, ooh. So a really blown up, kind of a funky floral. That's cool. It's, what am I trying to say? Anyway, blown up floral, super gorgeous. This is the A side. Next, we have this one here is called The Future is Female. So tone on tone, really nice sunflower yellow, lots of words. So it says The Future is Female over and over in a cursive font. And the back side has these little kind of artsy drawings of women and all different skin tones, all different sizes. Very cool. Different hair colors, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go like this with it though to break up these 2 little tomatoey soup colors. The next one is called Simply Stated. So it is wonky dots with the colors of the collection. And the back side is just groovy pink with the off-white color. That's really cute. All right, so this one is called Her Story. And this is cool. So this is pink with like an orange kind of a font. All caps. Role model, creator, boss, athlete, mother, wife, partner, artist, peacemaker, hero. So that's very cool. Backside, oh, that's cute. Oh, it's so cute. So it's this off-white color with different size. I mean, small and smaller and small-est. Little rainbows. That's so cute. All right. Oh, I think we get one of each. Okay, awesome. So then you can see, I didn't know that we get, I'm sorry, 2 of each. Okay, so let's see how many we get. See, I'm not even hip. I didn't get a heads up from the owners about what this would be or any of that. So there's 2 of each. It goes like this, and then this cornflower blue. So you can see all of them because, yeah, we got 2 of each paper. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pattern papers, 2 cardstock, which is really cool for matting for me. And then we have the 6x12 sticker sheet, which comes with 40 stickers. So we have a couple of girls here. It says she hustled, keep going, a great little rainbow, you've got this. These are just like the ones that were in, oh gosh, what is the name of the collection by My Mind's Eye? That was like periwinkle and teal and all that. They have those in it. Great little sunglasses, circle bits, choose happy. So we have these great little banners. Your potential is endless, feminist, self-love club. That is adorable. Okay, let me show you the upgrades because I want to see them. All right, so Project Life chipboard stickers with gold foil accents. There's 41 in there. Let me see if I can, oh, this would be perfect for me to break it up so you can see each set better. So this is a gorgeous coral. Here's the story. A little envelope. This is a little tab in lime green. An old-fashioned pen. Be yourself, the sweetest thing. Let's go. A little and sign, some paper clips, and a cute little red heart. That's great. So it's bringing in a little bit more color. And that's like a royal blue. And then this set, so there's 3 sets of chipboard. We have more of that royal blue. I like that they're repeating colors. What I love about you in this really great same, I would go with teal for that. Us, life. So us and life. I'm like planning layouts based on the colors I can bring together. Some more of the office supplies and beauty. What's in pale pink here? Nothing on that one. You and me, and that's like mac and cheese orange. You guys, look at how nice that like color match is right there. So slightly more saturation, but how great is that? And then finally, this one, oh, there's some more of that pale pink. We've got lots of tabs, a pencil, another heart, the word hello in that bright blue, and this gorgeous floral. So that is one of my first upgrades. And then next, oh, this is cool. These are super cool. These are Heidi Swapp puffy stickers. There's 30 of them. All right, now, those of you that know me well, I have a big scrappy crush on all things Heidi Swapp. So let me show you. We have Chow, Wish, Cheeky, Flirt. These really great arrow pieces, an and sign. I've got stars. I told you the arrows, and look at the heart. And then the next sheet, there's 3 sheets of these. The next sheet says pop. So let's see. Oh, that's so cute. I have pop, lucky, bonjour, another heart, some stars, a hashtag, and another arrow. And then finally, let me separate. Oh, actually, you can see it well on that. We have fresh, fancy, epic, and then once again, arrows, another pound signed. We have more stars, this great little heart piece here. I mean, so, you know what? I'd have to say, in case you scrapbookingstore.com owner types, check in on my unboxing. These are my colors. These are my kind of like embellishments, the whole thing. Thank you very much. Okay, so the last thing in this is a 55 piece from My Mind's Eye one of a kind mixed bag it's called. And I'm going to unbox it for you. And I'm going to do it, I think, on this really great piece. What is this called again? Whitewash. I'm going to do it right on here because I think we're going to see the colors better. So it is the full ephemera set from My Mind's Eye, one of a kind. I will end up keeping this. Hold on, my dog wants it. All right, so it's the one of a kind set. So let me take you through these little goodies and lay them all out. Now remember, this is an off-white color. And it's off-white on the pieces. So this set reads, be the change you want to see. Cute little floral pieces. Some pink sunnies. Cute little girl. Looks like she, I don't know, is she dancing? I don't know. So it reads, you can. A nice little directional banner. Sunglasses again. Beautiful. Inspiring. Should we go in a little bit closer? I think so for these. Oh, love the flaws. Another little floral, a rainbow, a yellow and red floral, a circle, a flower piece right there, another floral piece. I love that these pieces are all different sizes. Not sure what we're going to have for M yet. We'll work on it. I like that they're all different sizes so that there's an R, there's an E, an A. So you can tuck and layer. Girls Run the World in Periwinkle, Circle Bits, Girl Power Conversation Heart. There's another flower, a circle, flower. So lots of great pieces, and it's almost like a flower power kind of thing. All right, so I'm going to go on a limb and say that this is going to spell out dream. There we go. Circle, can't, please email. Yes, women can. Make it happen. Oops, I'm going to have to bring that down because I have more flowers. One of a kind. Another little banner piece. Circular piece. Hey girl, a big tag. Look at this one. She's hilarious. Nice little banner piece again. This reads phenomenal. A tag. Don't quit your daydream. What's this? Your dream is achievable. Cute. So banner pieces and arrow little pieces. Girl boss. So they are bringing in these pieces a lot of this ridiculously gorgeous cornflower periwinkle-y kind of tone. Love that color. It's my favorite color on my oldest daughter. Best ever. Ooh, look at this. That is so cool. Follow your dreams. They know the way. Another floral piece and the word confident. So clearly this is gorgeous. It's amazing. Let me get this little container here. This is how I always store all of my little embellishment pieces while I am working on kits. You know, like what do they call them? Die cuts, ephemera, die cuts, ephemera. I never know what you're supposed to call them. So this is how I store them in these little iris photo containers because I like to rifle through them while I'm working with them. So I have all of these good pieces. I'm going to put all of, we got so much this month. I'm going to put them all into my little IKEA container, you know, the FJALLA container, and get ready to get scrapping. So I need to come up with some cool photos. I need to come up with some card designs, and I'll be back ever so soon to showcase this great kit. Goodbye, friends.